Welcome to the ARZOPA tutorial. In this video, I will show you some basic settings of the photo frame. Click the photo to summon the menu icon, then click Gallery. After entering the gallery, click the Edit icon in the upper right corner. Select the photos you want to move and use the left and right arrows in the lower left corner to change the playback order, or long press and drag the image to adjust it arbitrarily. The photo frame can automatically adjust the vertical-horizontal display through gravity sensing. If you want to adjust your photo to fit the photo frame screen, you crop the photo. Similarly, click on the photo to bring up the menu and share the QR code of the interface with other friends who have downloaded the ARZOPA app. Click the icon in the upper left corner to expand the settings panel, where you can quickly adjust the playback interval, brightness, and more general settings. Thank you for your support of ARZOPA. If you have any other product questions or suggestions for our brand, please contact our after-sales email. For more information, please visit our website. Have a good day.